And another way to network is going to training events.
Right.
And we got one coming up here.
Nice one.
T.O.O.L.S.
T.O.O.L.S.
Do you remember what the acronym stands for?
I can never remember. Technicians
and owners on learning strategies.
Yep.
It's because it's in front of me.
So I don't have that computer in front of me.
This is a good way of saving the date. October 20th to the 22nd at the Kalahari Resort in the Poconos. The board has stepped up. We are looking at some top-notch trainers coming in. We are going to have a good time up there. This will be our third time doing this up at the Kalahari. I think it's the third or fourth. So we're trying to grow this event. So that is another good way of networking, is coming and getting some top-notch training. That's a benefit of the association. You're going to get a little bit of a discount if you're a member.
Yep.
So look us up on there at our website.
Become a member.
Save that couple extra bucks. So what do you get for the membership fee? You're getting networking. You're getting top-notch training. You're going to get legislative backing and voices to be heard. I mean, that is the biggest thing we can offer as an association.
And it's training across the board. Mechanical, body shop, towing, management for the owners.
Yes.
So
service advisors. Yeah, we're going to look at all.
We're gonna try to cover all bases.
And it's also going to be a vendor show.
Yeah,
we're growing that portion of it. We've already got some pretty good commitments from that.
Good.
So I'm looking for a good event. So mark that date, October 20th to the 22nd at the Kalahari. It's going to be Friday afternoon training, Friday night vendor show, Saturday training, two sessions, a vendor show in between that, and then Sunday morning.
And if you haven't been to Kalahari,
oh, it's awesome.
It's pretty neat. The kids will love it. If you have kids, they're going to have a great time.